So the first process of making any type of tool is getting your wood. So we got one sitting up here already on the saw force. So we're going to knock off all these branches, and then we're going to cut it down to size. Don't go walking around camp with your bare axe like this. Put your sheath back on. Keep your sheath in your pocket. Keep the blade away from you. Cut off any excess that you don't want. So for this next section, we're going to take and make cuts going all the way around, about halfway through. And then we're going to baton a knife down through here to knock all this excess off. You want to keep your cuts as straight as possible, but it may not be that easy. You can always clean things up later. So we're going to move that down here to the flat surface, or semi-flat surface, and baton it. So any big stick will do. You're going to just smack your knife down there to break those pieces where you cut. So we're going to take the knife, and it's going to knock these pieces off all the way around. It's better when you do this on the ground or something more solid. And you just work your way yourself all the way around here. To me, the mallet is a fire prep tool. That's what I find myself using the mallet or the baton the most for. Sometimes you'll get your knife stuck like that. There's different ways to get that out. So you see here how that's coming along. And all that dry wood can be used for fire later on. So at this point, we can break the edges with the knife here, just to make it a little bit more comfortable in the hand. Notice how I'm holding this to come out this way, keeping the knife away from you. Now, while you're sitting around the fire, you can work on this and make it more and more smoother. Work it down to where it really fits your hands good, makes it comfortable. Because after all, this is going to be your tool, not mine. And there we go, folks. So left me enough room. I choke up, do two if I needed to. Very comfortable in the hands right now. You can debark these, take the bark off as much as you want. It's up to you. But that is a practical camp tool.